Good day everyone, my name is Jig James Arnold Binayan from BSIT 3C. I'm going to discuss about human-computer interaction or HCI and future user interface. Before we begin, let me first you ask a question. Have you ever used a smartphone to talk to Siri or Google Assistant or watch Netflix recommendation? If your answer is yes, then you already experienced human-computer interaction in your daily life. Human-computer interaction, or HCI, is the study of how people interact or communicate with computers and technology. The main goal of HCI is to make technology easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable to use. For example, when we tap, swipe, or scroll on our phones, that is already an example of HCI because we are interacting with technology in a simple and easy way. Number 2. A brain-computer interface allows the person to control a computer using brain signal instead of using a keyboard, mouse, or touchscreen. The system reads these signals from the brain and turns them into command. This technology can help people who cannot move or speak. So this is an example of BCI. Some patients with disability can move a wheelchair or type words of computer through brain signal. Number 3. Voice assistant lets you talk to your device to give commands. You can ask questions, play music, or set alarms just by speaking. Example of these are Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Instead of typing, user can simply say command like play music, set an alarm, or what the weather today. Voice assistants make technology faster, easy, and hands-free. This is useful especially when people are busy or cannot use their hands. Number 4. Gesture-based system. Next, a gesture-based system. Gesture-based systems allow user to control device through hand or body movements instead pressing buttons. For example, user can wave, swipe, or move their body to interact with technology. For example sa gesture-based system, ang uban smart TV or video games dili kinahanglan og remote kay pwede ra mag-wave sa kamot aron makontrol ang screen. Number 5, adaptive interfaces. Adaptive interfaces change depending on how you use them. They learn your habits and adjust to make things easier for you. For example, apps may recommend video and products based on what you usually watch or search. For example, Netflix. Netflix changes the movie and show recommendation based on what you watch. Kung hilig ka sa ng horror movies, kalugayan, mas daghan ang horror na movies na magawa sa imong recommendation. Future usability trend, multimodal interaction. This means you can use different ways to control a device at the same time. For example, using voice, touch, hands gestures, or eye movements together. For example, sa multimodal interaction, pananglitan, pwede ka magamit og tingog, touch ug hand gesture sa usa ka device sabay-sabay. So, explain niya mas convenient siya kay daghan paagi nga magamit technology depende sa kinahanglan nato. AI personalization. This means the system use artificial intelligence AI to learn about you to predict what you like or need. For example, it's recommend videos, music, or product based on your activity. Inclusive design. This means designing technology so that everyone can use it, including people with disability. For example, adding voice control, bigger text, or screen readers. So, inclusive design. Example na ni panlitan na cellphone nga na screen reader para dili makakita ang voice control nga dili maglisod o makalihok. ER and VR interfaces. ER, augmented reality, adds digital object to the real world. VR, virtual reality, creates a completely virtual world. ER and VR interface So example na kay panglitan ng VR games murag kag najud sa sulod sa game world tungod sa headset. And ang ER, nagdungog o digital object is a real world, samtang ang VR nagimo is totally virtual and environment. Lastly, human-computer interaction is about making technology easier and better for people to use in the future. Technology will become more natural and smart through voice, gesture, brain signals, AI, and ER/VR. Overall, the goal is to make technology easier, smarter, and accessible for everyone. Thank you.